Apple beats Samsung not just when it comes to tech, but also when it comes to business financial management. I'll explain. I was studying the financials of both these companies, and turns out that while Samsung keeps about 100 days of stock with itself, Apple in comparison keeps just about 8 days of inventory. Now, one reason could be that Samsung has so many more designs in its models, while Apple has limited models to sell and also better predictive power. But just 1 week worth of inventory at such a scale is absolutely crazy. In comparison, if you look at Samsung, it recovers cash from sales in about 50 days, but Apple recovers it in less than 20 days. This is possibly because Samsung sells through a network of distributors around the world, while Apple sells mostly through 500 of its own Apple stores. And if you were to look at the working capital inventory cycle or working capital days, for Samsung, it's about 120 days, but for Apple, it's minus 55, which means it's practically borrowing money from its vendors and utilizing that money in its business without even paying any interest cost. This actually tells you that Apple beats Samsung, not just because of brand value, but because of better business financial sense, as well as logistics and working capital management. I've explained all these points and more in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.